To facilitate the removal of crowns and bridges, Anthogyr has developed the SafeRelax. Its completely automated system enables efficient removal of crowns and bridges without stress for the patient. Through high-frequency microstrokes combined with a moderate and controllable intensity, SafeRelax quickly loosens prostheses. SafeRelax can be directly connected to the micromotor of your dental chair to produce a series of ultra-rapid microstrokes, up to 20 microstrokes per second. The SafeRelax kit includes a wide range of accessories which enable you to respond to all types of prosthesis removal, with temporary or permanent seals. According to the type of prosthesis, there's an option of 4 standard hooks or the ATD wire tip system for bridge removal. Use of the wire tip prevents damage to prostheses, which may then be reused. With its new bayonet attachment, the chosen insert can be placed with a single hand movement. The adjustment ring on the front of the instrument enables you to control the intensity of the micro movements applied to the prosthesis. With the motor stopped, connect your SafeRelax to the electric or air micromotor of your dental unit. Ensure that the equipment works by applying mild traction to the handpiece while simultaneously activating the pedal of your dental unit. Place the insert on the prosthesis. The new ergonomic design of SafeRelax provides better handling of the instrument for real comfort during work. In addition, flat-plated ring enables stabilization of SafeRelax. Activate the motor pedal. Simple traction will trigger a series of very rapid motor strokes. Stop once the traction's released or the motors stop. At a maximum speed of 25,000 RPM, the frequency is 20 microstrokes per second. SafeRelax is the fastest system in the world. It's recommended to start with the lowest intensity and then progressively increase it according to the resistance of the sealing cement. Perfect control of the intensity and frequency of the microstrokes guarantees your comfort and the quality of the results, allowing you to work in total security. It functions without resetting, which is a unique advantage as this allows you to preserve a steady working axis and to maintain precise, continuous contact with the prosthesis. An anterior crown is to be removed by using the single hook. Single hook is placed under the ridge of the gum and aligned along the vestibular side of the crown. Apply pressure on the tooth to feel the microstrokes and, if necessary, adapt the intensity adjustment ring if the crown withstands the stress. You'll notice the speed at which the crown's loosened once SafeRelax is activated. In this case, simultaneous loosening of the inlay core can be noted. If you need to remove a bridge with several elements, you may use the 90-degree edge hook or wire tips. In this case, a 90-degree hook will be used to loosen a bridge with 4 elements. The edge hook is placed in the interdental space on the palatine side. The bridge is easily loosened. The patient experiences no stress. A posterior crown is to be removed this time, and an elbow hook will be used. The specific angling of the hook enables loosening of the crown in zones that are difficult to reach. In this case, the hook is placed on the cervical ridge of the crown. It can be noted that the crown's removed very easily without damage to the anchorage beneath. This concerns the removal of a 6-element anterior bridge. The flat hook with non-slip grooves will be placed on the cervical vestibular ridge of 13 in order to apply traction in the tooth axis. To facilitate this, the hook has non-slip grooves that allow you to lean on the external side, thereby reinforce the attachment on the cervical ridge of the crown. Once again, the crown's removed very easily and the anchorage remains intact. In the following cases, the ATD technique, which is recommended for the removal of bridges, will be used. Specific inserts with cables are inserted in the interdental spaces resting on the basal surface of the bridge. These inserts may be single or double according to the width of the prosthesis to be removed. A 5-element anterior bridge will be removed from 4 abutment teeth. In this case, a 150mm double wire tip will be used. A 95mm cable is also available in the SafeRelax Complete Kit for removing bridges with 3 elements. The cable is first inserted in the most distal embrasure at the level of the first premolar. It's then passed through the mesial embrasure at the level of the lateral incisor. Then the pointed end is inserted in the groove. The pointed end is then inserted through the gap. This is then connected to the SafeRelax and traction is applied. The bridge is loosened in a few seconds. It can be noted that there's no damage to the abutments. In this case, a very wide maxillary bridge must be loosened. For this purpose, 50mm and 60mm wire tips will be placed all along the bridge. The 60mm cables will be placed in the posterior zone. It's important to distribute the wire tips uniformly in order to always work along the axis of the abutment teeth. The crown remover is then moved from one wire tip to another in order to distribute the pulling force over the different abutments. Once removed, it's obvious that the abutments are not damaged and that the bridge remains intact and can be resealed. It's recommended to lubricate SafeRelax after each decontamination and before each sterilization. The tip of the lubricating spray is standard ISO E-type. SafeRelax can also be placed in one of the maintenance systems that are currently available on the market. Anthogyr also offers you a sterilization box as an option that's perfectly adapted to the SafeRelax inserts. With this sterilization and storage box, you do not run the risk of losing your inserts. It's the ideal storage accessory.